Welcome to Zippo Lion's Den. This time I want to show you this lighter. It's not the original box, but I figure it's apt to keep this one in here. It is from 1979. And it has the USS Constellation CV-64 aircraft carrier from the United States Navy on it. Nice hinge, wonderful shape. You can see the 1979 markings on the bottom. The reason I like this lighter so much, for even though it's from 1979, this specific aircraft carrier saw service during the Vietnam War in the Gulf of Tonkin, which to me is kind of cool. I grew up with a lot of Vietnam vets, heard many stories, some of them from Navy men that actually served on this aircraft carrier. And when I actually saw this, I thought it was good to get. Couldn't pass it up. Thought it was a really nice lighter. And it does have the time appropriate insert. As you can see. Pretty sure it's the original insert for the lighter. And I saw it in an antique store in the town where I live one time last year, and I couldn't pass it up. So now it sits in my collection. From 1979, the USS Constellation CV-64 aircraft carrier. If you like what you see, please hit the like button, subscribe, share. I appreciate anything that you do. Thank you.